I am super excited because I got monetized just a few minutes ago. As you see, the green $sign means monetization is enabled in my channel. In this video, I will tell you how to monetize your YouTube channel or how to link your YouTube channel with AdSense. So first open your YouTube in your browser and go to YouTube Studio. Here, go to the Earn section in YouTube Studio. Now if I scroll down, you can see our 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours complete. It kinda looks like this. Now if I go to the top of the page, there is a button showing Apply Now. Just click on it. Here, step 1, review base terms that are agreement of YouTube. Now click on Start button. Here you see all terms and conditions showing here. Just scroll down. Check I have accept base terms. Click on Accept Terms button. Wait few seconds. Your first step is done. Now you have to complete most important step. Step to sign up for AdSense for YouTube. That step is very serious. Never ever do any mistake. Click on Start. Here YouTube will ask you, do you have any existing AdSense account? You have 3 options. Yes, I have. No, I don't. Or I don't know. If you create an AdSense account before, please select I have an existing account. If you created an AdSense account and if you click on I don't have any existing account, you will face lots of problem and you can't monetize your channel. So be careful. As I never created any AdSense account before, so I will click on No, I don't have any existing account. Here, AdSense website will show your Gmail account. You can use that Gmail which one is used for your YouTube channel. But you know, nowadays hacking YouTube channel is very common. So I suggest you to create another Gmail account for your AdSense. Even hacker get your YouTube channel, hacker can't find your AdSense account. So I will choose another Gmail account. Now here you have to select your country. Remember, select the country where you live and don't select another country. Now here we have some terms and conditions. You can read them, just scroll down. Now check Accept box and click on Setup Account. What the hell? It's maybe showing for new Gmail account. Don't worry, I should try again. I select all of them option again. That time it's woked. Oh my gosh, it gave me mini heart attack. Here you have to fill up this form with your information. Now, here you have name, address line, and city. How do you fill them in? You can follow 3 identity cards, your national identity card, your passport, or your driving license. If you are under 18, you can't create AdSense account. So here you can use your parents' or relative identity. In account type, select individual, as you are the only owner of that channel. In the name section, you have to write your name. You might question me, should I use capital letters or small letters? So check your identity card. If on your identity card, your name is written in capital letters, then use capital letters. If your name is written in small letters, then use small letters. Remember, your name should match with your identity card. And never change even a single letter. I have already saved my name in Notepad, so I will just copy-paste them. For address line 1, again, check your identity card what address is given. You should fill in exactly what is written on your identity card, because later you have to verify the location with those identity cards. For address line 2, you have to put your phone number. Why you should put phone number? Because before you get paid from YouTube, Google will send an AdSense PIN verification code to your address. If you live in a remote area where the postman might have difficulty finding your location, including your phone number in the address allows the postman to contact you for directions. Without this, the AdSense PIN verification letter may be returned to Google, delaying your verification process. So I am going to put my phone number in address line 2. Now fill in your city name. I hope you don't need to check your identity card again for the city. Now fill postal code or postcode. This time you can check your identity card for your postal code. And last we have phone number optional. We don't need to fill it. Check again and again to avoid any kind of error. Now let's click the Submit button. I am a little bit nervous. Here, don't click anything. Wait a few seconds. This page will automatically redirect to YouTube Studio page. Now you can see that step 2 is in progress. So we have to wait a few days to complete this step. Sometimes YouTube takes over a month to review a channel for a few reasons, but we are not interested in waiting that long. Instead, we will use a trick to speed up the YouTube channel monetization process. It will take a maximum of 2 to 3 days to review your channel if you use this trick. To use this trick, go to your YouTube Studio. Click on Analytics. Here, right side top of the corner shows last 28 days. You have to select last 365 days. Now click on Send Feedback. Here, click on Capture Screenshot. Click on Allow. Now click on Highlight or Hide Info. Select Highlight. Now highlight your subscribers and watch time. Also, highlight last 365 days. Now click on Done. In the Describe Your Feedback box, you have to write a beautiful sentence. That is, "Hi YouTube team. I've been under review for monetization since whenever. I am well over the required watch time and subscriber counts. Please let me know if everything is okay or who I can get in touch with to move my application forward, and then send your feedback to Google. I will add this line to my description, so check my description." In my case, YouTube took just 2 days to link my YouTube channel with my AdSense account. When YouTube links your channel with AdSense, it looks like this. Once step 2 is done, your channel will automatically enter the review process. Some people ask me if I can get monetized using an AI voice. The answer is yes. I got monetized, and I use AI voiceovers for my videos. Now listen carefully. YouTube only monetizes original videos. If you copy-paste content from another person or media, you must change it significantly. However, YouTube never specifies how significant these changes need to be. Therefore, I always suggest making original videos. Otherwise, you will face many problems. If you have reused content on your channel, it won't get monetized. Reused content means you copy others' content. Even uploading the same video twice on your channel can cause a reused content issue. Sometimes, if you have any copyrighted videos, your channel won't get monetized. If you have any 18+ videos, your channel won't get monetized either. So, if you have such videos, first remove them from your channel, then send your application for monetization. I hope this helps you understand the issue. After completing my step 2 process, YouTube sent me a congratulatory letter 2 days later. I was so excited. It felt like I just got married. I wish all your channels get monetized soon. If you love my video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Thanks for watching.